Hello student, this is your maths teacher. Today we are going to discuss some question which will be based on another type. That is, today we shall factorize the identity using some special identity. So in the last video we have discussed the question which based on the common factorization, in which we have to find out greatest common factor of the given expression, and in this video we shall also find the factors, that is a common factor, but here we use some special identity. So now let's see what is the identities are. There are two identities, that is, first is the first is whole square of a plus b, and the whole square of a plus b is given by a square plus b square plus 2ab, and the second one is whole square of a minus b, and this is given by a square plus b square minus 2ab. So these are the two identities through which we use to find the factors of the given question. So now let's see the question. Here we solve exercise 12b. And the first question is x square plus 16x plus 64. This is the question, and we have to solve it using identity. That means you can see that this question is written in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this can be written as whole square of a plus b. So this expression we have to write in the form of whole square of a plus b. So now let's break it. The above expression can rearrange, can rewritten as, we can write whole square of x, and this can be written as 2 into x into 8, and this can be written as whole square of 8, because we know that 8 is 64, and this 64 is written in the form of b square, that's why we write it 8 square. So when we take 8 here, then here we get 2, the value of a is x and the value of b is 8. So now this can be written as whole square of x plus 8. So in this way we can write it like this, and I hope it is clear. If you want to solve it in another method, that is the previous method, we can also solve it using the previous method. So now let's see how we can solve it using the previous method. So here we use alternate method. question is x square plus 16x and plus 64. We can write it x square plus 8x plus 8x and plus 64, and 64 can be written as square of 8. We can write it like this. And now from this we can take common. From this section we can take x as a common, and when x will be common we get x plus 8. And here we can take 8 as common, and here we get x plus 8. So now taking common x plus 8, we can write x plus 8 here, and last section we get x plus 8. So here x plus 8 into x plus 8 can be written as whole square of x plus 8. So this may be also the answer, and the method is as previous we have solved. So I hope this is clear. Now let's see the next question. The second is 1 minus 2x plus x square. This is the second question. Now this can be written as x square minus 2x and plus 1. This can be written like this. So here we have what we have: a is equal to x and b is equal to 1. Here x is equal to a is equal to x and b is equal to 1. So this can be written as whole square of x minus 2 into a, that is x, and b, that is 1, and plus square of 1. So it is the product of x minus 1 whole square, because we know that when the middle term having minus sign, the identity is whole square of a minus b is equal to a square minus 2ab and plus b square. So here you can see that this one looks like a square minus 2ab plus b square. That's why this can be written in the form of whole square of a minus b. So this is the required result. Again, we can solve it using the alternate method. Let's see what is the alternate method. Alternate method. And here we write x square minus 2x and plus 1. This is the question, and it can be written as x square minus 2x can be written as x minus x, minus x and minus x become 2x, and this can be written as square of 1. From this section we can take x as common. So when x can be taken as common, here we get x minus 1, and from both these we can take minus 1 as common. So when minus 1 is common, here we get x, and from this it remains minus, and here we get 1. So we get x minus 1 into x minus 1, and this becomes whole square of x minus 1. So this is the result through alternate method. So I hope it is clear. Now let's see the next question. The next is 9 plus 6p plus p square. This is the another question. have to solve it. So it can be written as 3 square plus 2 into 3 into p plus p square, and this can be looks like a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it can be written as 3 plus p whole square, which is the required method. Alternate method is your homework. You have to solve using alternate method. Okay. Now let's see the next question. The next question is x to the power 4 plus x square y square plus y square. This is a question. The question is x square x to the power 4 plus 2x square y square plus y to the power 4. So this is your question, and now let's solve it. So it can be written as whole square of x square and it can be written as 2 into x square into y square plus whole square of y square. Okay. So a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to x square plus y square, its whole square, which is the required. And the alternate method is your homework. Alternate method is your homework. Now let's do one more question. The next question is a square by 4 plus minus 3ab cube and plus 9b to the power 6. So this is your question, and now let's solve it. So students, we can write it a upon 2 whole square minus 2 into a by 2 into 3b cube and plus 3b cube whole square. Is that clear? Because b to the power 6 can be written as b cube square, and this is equal to b to the power 3 into 2, which is equal to b to the power 6, using the formula a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Is that clear? That's why this can be written as like this. Now here it can be written as a upon 2 minus 3b cube का whole square, which is the result. So I hope this one is clear. So student, these are some questions which based on identity, and I hope everything is clear. So if you have any doubt, then you can ask your doubt in the comment section. I will clear your doubt in my next video. So student, we shall meet in the next video with some new question. Till then, goodbye.